Hi folks, this is a quick little video to show you how to change the colors of the tab sheets in Excel 2010. So here are the three tab sheets that I have for this particular video. I'm going to just right mouse click on sheet 1, go down to where it says tab color, select the color, click on that, and then I'm going to click on a different sheet and you'll notice that that's when it shows up. I'm going to go ahead and right mouse click again, tab color, select a different color. Now I'm going to select sheet number 3. Notice that when I deselect the sheet, that's when you see the color of the sheet. I'm going to go ahead and select another color. There we go. And I want you to notice that the selected sheet goes back to white. So that's how you always know which one it is. Besides that, the sheet name gets bolded. But the additional visual clue is, even though this sheet number 2 has a color, it will turn white when it's selected and it's got the attention of the computer. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you very much.